You say you gonna make my old shoes do what? Look new again? I believe it when I see it.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ from BK back with another sneaker restoration here at Fountain and Shoe. Today we have these Motorsport X Pumas in the white colorway. We're going to be cleaning the outside, the laces, the inside, the outsoles. We've got our brushes, our cleaning solution, a soap that I like, and FZ150. Shout out to the Shoeth. It's a good product. Got some water, and we got our shoe trees on this side. Stay tuned, and hope you enjoy my video. Like, share, subscribe. There we go.
I got you, homie.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to be removing the laces and the insoles.
Perfect.
Alright, so now that the insoles are removed, you want to put in your shoe trees. We'll get back to the laces later with some cleaning solution. We're going to scrub them as much as we can with our hands, and then we're going to let it soak in some water.
You serious?
We'll start on the right foot. So here we have our FZ150. We're going to start off with the soft bristle brush to do the uppers. We have some mesh material here. The FZ150's foam should be able to get into the mesh and clean it pretty good. Got some light staining on this side. So let's get started. Just a little bit of water on there. FZ150 foam. To get in the zone, we're going to start our cleaning process. On the sides here we have some mesh material. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more foam just to make sure we get all these stains out. Foam could actually get into the mesh, help break up some of that dirt.
Good job!
Now we're going to go ahead and scrub on the inside of the tongue. These are looking much better already. So I'm going to put these shoe trees back in there so the shoe can keep its shape while the suds do its work. I'm going to lather up the other side, then I'm going to rinse off both of them.
That was easy.
Alright, now that these shoes have been scrubbed inside and out with our FZ150 cleaning solution, I'm going to go ahead and lather up these insoles and then clean our laces.
That was easy.
After scrubbing the insoles, I'm going to move on to the laces. How to clean the laces? Just put them in your hands like this. Get your cleaning solution. Get some foam. Just rub them together. If there's any stains that stand out, you want to focus on that area while you're rubbing them together with your hands to help get it out and loosen up the dirt. Now that that's done, I'm going to let this soak in the water, cleaning solution. Alright. Now that we've cleaned these insoles and our laces, I'm going to rinse out these insoles, let the laces sit in the water for a little while the shoes dry, and we'll be back for the repaint. Alright, now that the shoes are fully dried, we're going to go ahead and get rid of some of these loose threads with our thread burner. Find this on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing some of these loose threads. How this works, once it's charged, you just hold this power button and you can burn off some of the threads that's kind of loose on the sneaker.
Serious?
As you can see right here, there's another thread sticking out. So what you want to do is put it through it like a thread. Like you're threading the needle. There's a loop at the end of this. Grab it with the other hand. You hold the button. And the thread comes right off. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and use our lint remover. Before we prep for the paint job, I'm going to use the lint remover for inside of the shoe. Take our shoe trees out, set them to the side momentarily. Now we're going to use the lint remover to get inside the sock liners. And in some cases, if you don't have a lint remover like that, you can also use tape. I'll show you another technique for those areas closer to the bottom of the heel of the shoe. You just take a strip of tape. You could just go ahead and stick it where you can't reach with your lint remover and pull it out. Like right now I got a whole bunch of hair, stuff like that. And you see, just like that with the tape, you can get rid of all of the stuff that the lint remover can't reach.
Serious?
A lot of times if you put these in the washing machine with the laundry bag that I had spoke about in my first video, it'll wash out all of these things, but sometimes a lot of these restorations don't require you putting the shoe into the washer. So this is another way to get all the stuff on the inside, underneath your insoles, to make them a lot cleaner with your end result. Alright, now that I've used the sandpaper and I got these as smooth as I possibly could for the paint job, next I'm going to go ahead and use acetone to prep the areas all around the shoe so we can start laying down our flat white Angelus paint and touch up the blue Pumas symbol on the side with the navy blue. So what you want to do is get your cotton ball, acetone, start rubbing it on to get some of those areas where you're going to be laying down the paint. Alright, now that I did this side, I'm going to do the other side and then we'll be back with the paint job. Alright, so now that I've prepped the areas using acetone and cotton balls, I rubbed around the whole shoe. It's looking a lot better. For the areas that actually had some stains, the acetone got it out. So the paints I'm using is flat white, and duller for the white areas again, and the navy blue for the little Puma signs on the side. So I mixed some in this plastic container that I used. I got this container from cutting off the bottom of a Poland Spring bottle.
Serious?
So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the paint job. The angular brush. I'm gonna mix this up. Alright. So now that I have my paint mixed, I can go ahead and start painting the area. I'm gonna try to keep it in one direction and hold the shoe in a way that I don't get it on areas I don't want it. while I continue to paint this, I'll come back and show you how it looks after I'm finished. Alright, we're back. After I've applied a few coats of flat white paint, I finish it off with the high gloss acrylic finisher. I touched up the Puma on the sides with the navy blue paint. This is the outcome that we got on these Motorsport X Pumas, BMW, white colorway.
Well done.
I have some before and after pictures.
Flawless. Victory.
As I'm showing you these. I also touched up the laces with the lint remover and got rid of some of the loose threading around the uppers and within the sock liner. That wraps it up for these Motorsport X BMW white colorway edition Pumas. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe. It's your boy TJ from BK. Till next time.